Good day everyone, this is Michael Macalong, AB Philosophy, 4th year, and this is
Samantha C. Demetrian, ABIS 3rd year.
And I am Alan Bifornis, AB Philosophy, 4th year. So we ponder on these 4 particular questions. First, do the Chinese and Indian also define themselves as universal? Second, are Chinese and Indian also universal, a critic of everything, reality and humanity? Third, do Indian and Chinese philosophy looked out the truth as the universal truth? And lastly, are Chinese and Indian descriptive or prescriptive? So the first question will be answered by
So for the first question, Chinese and Indian cultures have historically contributed to ideas that might be seen as having universal significance. However, the perception of universality can vary depending on the cultural perspectives. Chinese cultures focus on Confucianism, Taoism, and other philosophies has shaped thoughts on ethics and social harmony. In a similar way, Indian culture, through its diverse spiritual traditions like Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, has explored concepts of morality and enlightenment. Still, the concept of universality remains intricate and can be interpreted differently across societies.
So the second answer to the second question is that it is true and yes that both Chinese and Indian philosophy and their philosophical traditions offer critiques that delves into the nature of reality, humanity, and the broader aspect of existence. That to the Chinese philosophy, they include the Confucianism, Taoism, and legalism, engages the concept of harmony, governance, and human behavior in relating to the world around them. In the Indian philosophies, like Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, explore the nature of consciousness, humanity, and consciousness, and the suffering, and the ultimate reality, the Brahman or Nirvana, while addressing human existence. These traditions can be considered universal critiques as they reflect on fundamental aspects of reality and human experience, although interpretation and emphasis might vary.
So the third question, both Chinese and Indian philosophies have examined the notion of truth, seeking a form of universal truth. Taoism and Confucianism in China focus on different aspects of truth, Taoism on the natural order and Confucianism on ethics. In India, philosophies like Advaita, Vedanta, and Nirvana in Buddhism aim to unveil a universal truth that surpasses ordinary understanding. Indeed, they also talk the universal truth in Chinese and Indian philosophy. The last question, the Chinese and Indian philosophical traditions encompass both descriptive and prescriptive. However, as we try to ponder, there is always a dominant on the context of prescriptive in such a way that Chinese thought combines description of reality with guidance of harmonious living, as seen in Confucianism ethical principles. Similarly, philosophies blend descriptive of existence and suffering with prescriptions for achieving enlightenment. That could be all. Thank you.
Thank you.